Here we are with the roof racks. Going to put new roof racks on the Polestar. So we're going to put them load carrier without rails. We've got a basket. We're going to separate the black plastic, measure it out, whack it in the grooves, and then it's ready to go. Good job, Twitty. Yeah, the roof bars all got the strips in there now. Looking pretty schmick. Looking pretty schmick. Let's get them on the car now. Okay, we've moved outside here. We've got the bars. We armour rolled them up. Instructions, clean off the top. Here we go. For OAM. Parts fit there nicely. Last look to have no roof bars on the Polestar. On the Popstar, no roof bars on there. There they're going to fit nice and good. Got attachments on either side. Twiggy's excited. Mowed the lawn. There we go. Mowed the lawn. There we go. Actually went on quite easy there. So we got the front one on. Feels solid as. Interesting contraption there. Just fits in the lip right there to look that up. Yeah, it just fits in the lip right there. And it does squish up the rubber a bit, but it sits in there really tightly. So yeah, pretty cool. And then this locks, and that's what it looks like with just the front roof bar. Woohoo! Very good. So yeah, we're wiping it down. Wiping it down. The cloth down. Alright. So now we take it. Push it over, push it over. Alright, here we go. Little ingenious system there. You've got the two little rivet holes. Got rivets on that side there, so I can pull out the cloth and it just fits in there. And there's the front one, and here's the back one. Okay, now it's too easy. Once it's in position there, we just tighten it up. All the screws in there, it's all nice and flush. Just tighten it and then go from one side to the other side. Tighten it up. Make sure it's sitting all flush. Sitting all flush. And then when we close the door, goes like that. It does push out of there, but it's all nice and flush in there. And then fold down the cap. Fold it down and tighten it. Here are the roof bars. I've got to say, pretty damn happy with it. Very nice. Actually quite easy to get on and quite easy to get off, so be good to play around and see how we go, how it affects the drive, how it affects efficiency, any noise. Let's test them out before we put the roof basket on. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's test them out. Let's test them out, let's test them out.